So next hyperconjugation. Okay. So generally hyperconjugation, it indicates stabilizing interaction. Okay, stabilizing interaction. Hyperconjugation indicates stabilizing interaction. Okay. The hyperconjugation is transfer of sigma electrons or displacement of sigma electrons from CH bond of an alkyl group which is linked with either sp2 hybrid carbon or carbon which contains unshared p orbitals. Okay. So hyperconjugation is displacement of sigma electrons. Displacement of sigma electrons of CH bond. Okay. Of alkyl group. CH bond which belongs to alkyl group which is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon or atom with the unshared p orbitals. So this is called hyperconjugation. Okay. So hyperconjugation is displacement of sigma electrons of CH bond of alkyl group which is attached to either sp2 hybrid carbon or atom which having unshared p orbitals. Okay. So generally sigma electrons, they shows partial conjugation with sp2 hybrid carbon or atom with unshared p orbitals. Okay. So sigma electrons shows partial conjugation with sp2 hybrid carbon or atom with p orbitals, unshared p orbitals, atom with unshared p orbitals. Okay. For example, if we take ethyl carbocation, so this is ethyl carbocation. Okay. So here carbon with positive charge, it contains unshared p orbital. Okay. So this is the carbon which is linked with another atom having unshared p orbital. So for example, if we take this CH bond, okay, and this is sigma bond. Okay. So these electrons displaces towards the atom which having unshared p orbital. So sigma bond, sigma electrons, they displaces towards the atom which having the unshared p orbitals. Okay. So this pair of electron delocalizes into unshared p orbitals, empty p orbitals. Empty unshared p orbitals means here empty p orbitals. So we get a structure like this. Okay? Then next, sigma electrons of this CH bond. Okay? So these electrons transfers towards the positive charge. Okay? And we get one more resonating structure. So another resonating structure for this. Okay? Again, these sigma electrons transfers towards positive charge again. And we get another structure. Okay? So, carbocation, which is ethyl carbocation, so that gets stabilized with these resonating structures. Okay? So, all these are resonating structures, which shows hyperconjugation. What is hyperconjugation? Displacement of sigma electrons. So, sigma electrons displaces through these structures. Okay? So, through different resonating structures. So, resonance stabilizes the carbocation. So, due to this, carbocation gets stabilized. And you observe one thing here. No bond is present in all these resonating structures 2, 3 and 4. So that's why hyperconjugation is also called as no bond resonance. Okay? Hyperconjugation is also called as no bond resonance. Okay? Hyperconjugation is also called as no bond resonance. Okay? Then, if more number of alkyl groups are attached to the carbon having positive charge, more hyperconjugation is observed in that carbocation. Okay? So, greater the number of alkyl groups, greater is the hyperconjugation. For example, if you take tertiary carbocation, so tertiary carbocation linked with 3 alkyl groups. So, that's why it shows more hyperconjugation. Then secondary, then primary, then methyl. Okay? So here, greater the number of alkyl groups attached to positively charged carbon, greater is the hyperconjugation. Okay? So, greater the number of alkyl groups, greater is the hyperconjugation. For example, tertiary carbocation. Okay? Tertiary carbocation is greater than secondary carbocation, which is greater than primary carbocation. Okay? Which is greater than methyl. So, tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary, primary is greater than methyl. So, this is the hyperconjugation order. Okay? So greater the number of alkyl groups attached to the positively charged carbon, greater is hyperconjugation. Next,